What is up, sneakerheads? I have a very special pair today. I say that every time, but I really do mean it. This is a special pair. Thanks for watching. Where are you guys watching me at? Are you at Starbucks getting vanilla sweet cream cold brew? Or are you in the work cafeteria, heating up a Hot Pocket in the company microwave? Let me know where you're at while you're watching this. Appreciate it. Nike sent me this in a non-tamper-proof tape box, which is great. Easy pull tab. That's not so easy, but I always complain when companies send shit in a... Ah, damn it. I wasn't supposed to swear. I was going to maybe put this up on as kid-friendly, and now I swore already. Anyways, I always complain when companies send things in tamper-proof tape boxes because it's like a steal me sign. And Nike didn't. So new packaging, which is great. And also the other thing that sucks about tamper-proof tape is I can't reuse the box then because I don't want to be a hypocrite and send shoes into StockX or use it to mail people things with tamper-proof tape on it because that would perpetuate what I'm complaining about. So it really chaps my ass that I can't reuse the box. Anyways, that I have to just recycle. Can't reuse it either, but okay, we're getting off topic here. So, you already know from the title. This is cool. This is my first pair of these I've ever got. A little prop teaser. They're related to these. Related to mac and cheese. Very first pair of Doernbecher Freestyle sneakers that I have got, and super excited. If you don't know, real quick history, if you don't know, the Doernbecher Freestyle partnership is a partnership between Nike and Oregon Children's Hospital, the OHSU Doernbecher Children's Hospital. And it's a campaign Nike does with them to raise money for that children's hospital, whatever part of the hospital is in the greatest need. They've been doing it now. This is the 17th year they've done it. So they've been doing it since 2004. There's been over 100 different sneakers that kids have designed. These are all designed by patients or former patients of the hospital, kids, and they've raised over $30 million. I did a little research before the video, so that's how I know all that stuff. So yeah, these are all designed by kids who have been patients or currently patients at the hospital, which is dope. And yeah, it's a fundraiser for them. So going to a good cause. I like it. I like the vibe. So today I got the Air Jordan 5 Retro Low DB Doernbecher in Hyper Royal and Orange 11.5. These retailed for $200, and I hit off these on the Sneakers app. So these are somewhat limited. There's a bunch of pairs on Sneakers app, of course, and I think people had a decent amount of hold on that thought. And they were also released at Shoe Palace. So I saw a number of people entered in all six. There was 6 different designs, 6 different silhouettes, 6 different kids designed shoes. And like most people signed up for like all of them. And some people actually hit that I saw. A lot of people struck out. You go 0 for 6, or I went 1 for 5. I didn't sign up for the Air Force Ones in women's. I didn't sign up for those. For those of you who want me to just open the box, don't worry, I'll get to it. I'm building a little suspense, a little storytelling. You can always click forward if you want to do that. The other ones that I liked in it were, I liked them all, really. Okay, I'll open it up. We'll get to the other ones in a minute. I'll open it up. Chill. Oh, great. I thought I would have to memorize all this, but they gave info on the inside. So this pair that you're about to see was designed by Michael Wilson. He had a rare genetic disease that was diagnosed 2 months after birth. And what is dope about him and his story, and also a little sad, is that his older brother had the same disease. I'm not going to mispronounce it there. But they were able to catch it and diagnose it earlier because they had seen it in his older brother. So his older brother, Marshall, passed away, unfortunately, but in a way, his older brother saved him. So touching story, bummer there, but Yeah, they'll be remembered through these shoes, this stupid little internet video, and the stuff online about that. So shout out to Michael. We'll get into his design here in a minute. You got the cool Freestyle packaging paper there, Doernbecher Freestyle packaging. And here they are. Michael. I don't know, these are pretty dope. Right away, these weren't my first pick, but I knew as soon as we'll rewind a little bit. So So the morning of this drop, obviously I went for the dunks. I wanted the dunks a lot, and I was going through them all. And you know what? It's like, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. And I just at the end signed up for this one. I signed up for 4. I really like the dunks, and I actually like the Vapor Court, the Zoom Vapor Court ones, the tennis ones. I really like those. And on a whim, I was like, you know what? I'll sign up for these 2. And then I got the notification, we're not selected. And then I was like, what? Got them on these. I was like, holy shoot. I'll swear less in case I do try to put this on 4 kids. And then when I got them, I was like, I was very excited, first of all. Then naturally I checked the resale price like most people. And these were going for the second most other than the dunks. And then as soon as I examined the shoe more pictures, I was like, these are going to be better in hand than the pictures. And they are. I can tell you right away. The materials are really cool on these. A lot of different details. We'll get into those in a second. But I knew these would be better in hand, and I'm right. As predicted, as most shoes are. But these for sure, I was predicting they'll be better in hand, and they are. So many details. Now, I checked the value just because I wanted to know, like, the value. I will say, though, I am not going to resell these. I just don't think that's cool. Or, if you're going to resell something like this that was meant for charity, I hope you put the profit towards at least a charity, if not the same one. So, if I had ever chose to sell these, I would donate the profits to the OHSU Doernbecher Children's Hospital, which goes for the Kobe and Gigi Mambacitas. Those dropped. I was unfortunate in that I think I missed out on the draw. I think I slept through it, or the exclusive access I slept through. I was bummed I missed out on those, but if I had hit on those, definitely wouldn't have. They're going for crazy money, but I would not have sold those. And if I did, I would have put them towards the foundation that money went to raise. The foundation, the money is going to raise for that. That sentence came out weird. You know what I was trying to say. So let's bring it back to these. The dunks are going for the most. I like the dunks. These were actually going for the second most. There's been a long line of Doernbecher Jordans, and they're all dope, but these were going for the second most, so I was kind of pleased. If I was going to hit on one, I was pleased with these. I only have a pair of Jordan 5, one pair of Jordan 5s, the off-white sales that I have yet to wear. Paid a hefty resale price for those. They're still dead stock. This is my second pair of Jordan 5s, and obviously first pair of Jordan 5 lows. So I will be keeping these. Eventually I'll wear them on a special occasion. Maybe when I, crack open this to eat this, make an Instagram post. Yes. So we talked about the story of these, about the Doernbecher program. We also talked about resale and my thoughts on those and how that's not cool. We talked about safety packaging. Let's look at the safety tape, the tamper-proof tape. There we go. All right. Now, as I point these out, you might be like, well, why would I want these? First off, I dare you to try and design something. These kids did a great job. I liked, like I said, a lot of the different designs, the blazers. So if you don't like them, you should go try to design a pair of shoes that people like. And then also, I would say, what else was I? Oh yeah. There's a lot of details in these. Kids are fearless when they take chances. They're not as worried about what people think. And I like that. I like that a lot. So let's go over some of these details here. You got Take Flight on the side. You got, I think that's Michael's initials on the back. and then it's in the, you know, he likes sharks, so you got the shark motif going on here. He likes mac and cheese, which is sweet. You got the mac and cheese lace lock and the lasered mac and cheese design on the toe there, the toe box. Cool colors inside. Like I said, really cool materials used here. You got the Jordan 5 lace lock at the top, and you got different patches that you can put on the tongue, which is, I think, is cool. And you got the same rubber mesh on the tongue as well. A variety of patches there to put on. You got the Jordan wings, all sorts of stuff. Let's see here. The shark. That same skull on fire illustration. You got different laces, green laces. I kind of like the green laces. I might put green laces in one if and when I choose to wear these. You have a nice pull to eject heel tab for easy on, easy off. I like that. I just noticed the little rainbows on the lace ends. And yeah, just a really cool shoe. I'm going to try one of these on, I think. So, as I said, I don't own another pair of Jordan 5s, but what is coming out is the Jordan 5 Low Clot collaboration. I'm kind of digging those, actually. Let me know in the comments if you've seen those pictures and like them. I kind of am digging those. I don't think I'll probably get them, but if I had all the money and space in the world, I would totally cop those Clot Jordan 5s. I think the colorway is really cool, and yeah. So let's try these on quick. Let's try these on. I would also say too, prices on these have come down. When these first dropped, they're in the 400s. Same with the Dunks, but these have come down since everyone's got their pairs now in the mail. Above resale, these were 200. They're going for like 300. You know, I would say if you're interested at all in collections, one time I was talking about the Dunks, the Break True to Your School Dunks is a good collection to start, you know, from the newest ones because they're cheaper. If you wanted, for the collectors out there who want a collection, don't mind my dirty socks. These are from an old pair of Dunks. The leather on the inside was like wearing away. But I would say that a lot of the Doernbecher stuff isn't that expensive for resale, as far as resale is concerned. The Jordan 4 Superman Doernbecher is very expensive, and a few others, but for the most part, a lot of Doernbecher collabs are reasonably affordable. So if you want to start a collection at all, there's 100 shoes you can choose from. I would highly recommend checking out the different Doernbecher ones. Like I said, the Dunks from this year are going for a little bit more. And the Dunks from 3 years ago, the Clay Matthews Packers one, man, I wish I had got those. Those weren't going for all that much to begin with, and now they're like a $500 shoe. At the time I was considering it, buying those for resale for like $200. And I didn't. I resisted, and now I wish I hadn't resisted. I kind of like the Jordan 5 Low. I like it. Fits really nice. I would definitely go true to size, or you could even go half size down. Like I'm 11 and a half. I have plenty of room up there. You could go half size down if you wanted. I don't say that often, but I think you can with these. But go ahead, check out the Doernbecher catalog and the history of all the different designs from the kids. There's some dope ones out there and some very affordable ones. Anyone who is skaters or likes Stefan Janowski's, there's a bunch of Doernbecher Stefan Janowski's. That's a shoe and model that doesn't get a ton of love, but I know there are some fans out there, especially in the skate crowd. Check out the Doernbecher Stefan Janowski's. Those are dope. I like these a lot. I'm going to give these a 7 with a story, Michael's story. Shouts to Michael here. Fully recovered too, happy to report, doing well, and he's super thankful to the Children's Hospital and all those that work there that help him out. So check out more info there, doernbecherfreestyle.org, about the program. It's been going on since 2004, that's wild. Stoked to have a pair of these. This is going to be a collection piece, and eventually someday we'll probably wear them. Again, as I said, if I sell them, I would give any profit that I made to the Doernbecher Hospital. So I think I'm going to give these a 7.75 out of 10. Nice work, Michael. Shouts to your brother, Marshall. And I think this is a cool program that Nike does. Wish they did more of this. They're a multi-billion-dollar company. They can afford to do it. So let me know in the comments what you think. Check out the old styles, Doernbecher styles. And please subscribe. I haven't even plugged that this whole time. So give me a subscribe if you're still watching. Would appreciate it. Thank you.